So yes my people, welcome back to another adventure, and I don't know, it's your boy John. I'm out here peeps, I'm at the gas station and try to get some fuel. I go in at the gas station to see if I get some juice, because I have to get the juice today no peeps. Yeah man, I'll go in at the gas station and get some juice. So I go head, I feel like peeps, I go head downtown. I think I go Causeway today. I feel like I go head downtown, so catch when I reach downtown, I go inside go buy some juice, because I already have water. The igloo here, so I already have water already, so I just get some juice. I buy some snacks from yesterday, so I get some juice now. I head downtown, so I'm gonna stay tuned peeps. Hey peeps, I get the juice now. No? So it here a big juice, because you don't know say I want to serve for you all day. You know? So I head downtown now, so just stay tuned until I reach downtown. Peeps, upon the journey same way, we are head up on the 3 mile. So we are go over the bridge. You know? See all over wharf there. All over wharf. So yeah peeps, so they're on the journey same here. So we are head to Marcus Garden now. Peeps, so stay tuned till we reach. We have a little bit more journey left to reach, so just stay tuned. Peeps, finally reach downtown now. Bomba, the amount of man out here. Amount of man out here peeps, but I go down on my side. But even know if bait there still, but I go check and see if bait there first. I go down on my side down here, so now but I go up there so peeps, because through me now have the cast net, so I have to just use by the old fashioned way, the jerk up. But I'm not sure if I have none of them hook there, but I'm going to try see if I find none bossy out here, bossy there. So other fisherman down here, so hold them bossy! You know, so but I'm a general them down here. We'll take a look what I go on first. How hope we can get bait, you know. So look on the water. Yeah, man, the water look calm this morning. I'll do it early still, you know. Water look calm. General down here. So boss, when I get bait. Now I get bait. Oh, the cast net. Oh, them here. Bang. Peeps, see that? Bang around this morning. The general there. Set out in line them. Yeah, go and set 2 line too. So I'm stay tuned now my peeps, yeah man. Yeah peeps, when you get some hook, you know. From the general, so I'm gonna use this.
Podcast?
I'm gonna use this put on the jerk up. So this is called the jerk up. Them hook here. Put on the sabiki line. So them type of hook you use catch the bait them peeps. So now get it rig up and see if I can get some bait, because the man them don't have bait already, but I want to see if me can get some bait too, you know. Them did catch some bait with the cast net. So I just use the jerk up and see if I can get none. So I just stay tuned and watch what go on. See how we do it, Put on all of the hook them one time. Yeah, but general. You see it? Put on all of the hook them one time. And then what I go do now, I get a 1 ounce sinker. These are the 2 ounce. So I get a 1 ounce. If you give me that little bounce there. So when I jerk it, give me that little bounce there in the water. So I use the 1 ounce. I use a piece of bread and I go tie it through the 1 ounce, lock it and tie it on the end of this. And then I'll go ahead and them and think that them here peeps. Oh. I will go ahead and I go tie up them here upon it. You know, so stay tuned until me at that part there. Just it here peeps. So I do. So I put a little bump on the head. I put a little bump right here, so see it? So it can't go through the eye of the sinker. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead. Also, would I need a lock swivel right here, so, but not necessary. Because you bait you catch, you just want something strong enough to hold on the sinker. So this I go here, so knot it. Right on. Just see there. So the next step now, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start from the lower end come up. I'm gonna start from the lower end. I just knot it 2 times. Just like that. And then we do the same thing again. So I just continue the same thing till I done all of the hook them. So right there. I don't know, I go too far, you know. Right there, and then 1, 2, and draw up. So just like that. So 1, 2. So I'll continue this until I'm done, peeps. I'm gonna show you how it look. Stay up, peeps. So you swivel, hook, you see there, straight up to the sinker. So I'll go ahead and see if I can get no bait. See if I can get no bait out of so. Yeah, man, I see if I can get no bait out of so. I don't see no signs of them still. If anything, I'll go down a Gloria's down a restaurant and see if I can get none I bang them down there, because them always them love group up down I corner there, so you know. When I corner down there, so them always love group up down there, so I'm going to go down there. So I just stay tuned. The peeps are general just tell me say they beat them down at that side, you know. So I go head down there. I go head down there and see if I can get at least, if I can get at least a dozen. I can get at least a dozen to start with in the morning here. That not bad. So I head down there to see if I can get none. So I go down here. So I just I go sorry, I go head over there, so I see if I see nothing on the water. So when they catch me over there. See if we can get up some water. You have to be very careful there, so you know. Get some water. I feel none yet, so my peeps. Can't find none down here, so I go head back up. I go head back up for Glorious side, so go see if I see none of the restaurant column. Oh boy, it's a very hot and sunny day. Head back up, peeps. I'm not getting no bait down here, so I go back up. So hopefully when I go back up, the bait them, the bang them come in up back that side. So there, peeps, on the right are the restaurant. Let's see if I find none. Right, so now see if I can stand up. See if I find none. Yes, nah see none, nah feel none. But just a random, just I do some random cast. See if I can hook up nothing. Brother down this out. Down to the brother down to Glorious side. Him give me two of the bait them because him say me a try and me not catch none. Him say them gone because him can know. You see the experience of fishing knowledge him have, him can know when the bang them not there and when the bang them there. So him tell me say none not there now, so him dey catch few this morning and him give me, so him just give me them here to set out until them come in. So I'll go ahead and I'll set out the 4 line them and see what we can catch in the early morning here. Hopefully we catch something today, but they are seeing me peeps are try it, you know. They are try to see me, but me alone today, so me have to just do what me have to do, peeps. So you understand? So you stay tuned until me short line them. Me make you see what go on. So people now go ahead and me take out one, pin it through the nose. Bag them big, you know. Circle me I used to the peeps. See him there? Comrade, bring me luck. Yeah, peeps, I'm gonna set out the next one now. I'm gonna set out the Uncle 3 radol I have. I have 4, but I not get the tie strap this morning, so I'm not gonna set out that one. So I'm just set out 3 and see. So get the next rod. So peeps, look here, the first I ever do this, you know. Circle hook. What I do? I don't use no mono on it. I use the braided same way for the leader line. See it? Same way for the leader line. Cause I run out of trilene, or what you want to call it, whatever it want name. Fluorocarbon or what it want name. All different type of name. So I have to just use them over right now, yeah, until I go back to fishes to see if me get back some gears. I don't know what gears, but it will still work. Huh? Still do the job. Huh? So the last one I go pin out here now and then watch them. So, so that's it now. So I just relax myself, you know. Watch them till them draw down. You know? Keeps it up in our bush side, you know. Up underneath the little palm or kind of tree, this one name. So don't run, eh? Yeah, go on. Yeah, go and watch your them. Yeah, a couple more beaters to see anyway. So yeah, and stay tuned and wait for your rod draw down, you know. So big up on yourself. So yeah, people, I'll go ahead and take up that one there, you know, and set it out back. Fish did take this man and gone with everything, cause look at it wrap up. Look at it wrap up, peeps. Look there. The fish did ever take this and gone and everything cut off. Get the one out there again. Why? I'll go up later kind of a little better. Come like the fish them smell the Easter and gone. You know? Them now eat no fish this Easter, you know. And I went a couple of weeks. Well no, me no catch a jack, you know. Couple of weeks. Well no, me no catch a fish. Well me catch tarp on one day, yeah. Me catch snapper. But I go look right now, me no catch no jack. From the last time I dig up Port Royal. I don't catch no jack from them time there. But I'm hoping I catch a fish today. So see, just set the rod holder and a little column right as on the pipe, and then stand up like that, you know, straight up. So that are that, peeps. We're not catching no bait. I see who coming, but they look like they let me see Joe them dive out, so. Oh, empty water, too rough, Courtney. Oh. I'll make a cast. See if him get no bang, you know. See them there? See them there come up? Yep. Line him up. Yeah. What's the sea urchin here?
Put it on. Drop it in it. Look at me.
Man, where you are going to
I mean, I want to keep it. I want to keep it. Put it on there.
The big one?
Then the other
Got the wool them on the bunny. Yeah, one more?
Yeah. Choke up in a few buckets now. Yeah, man, I'll drop the next one. So them still live in there.
What that one name?
Oh, it's only one.
The dead one, the dead one in there, and the live one come out.
One dead one there again. One dead one there again.
I lost them. So please, me get some more bait, you know. So me have some over there, so some of those, because to me now overpopulate the bucket. Yeah man, some of those take coffee next bucket. They want a big door. I have some couple toffee in there, so I put some of them over here. So. much toffee in here, so. Toffee them, go on like they're smart, you see. See them the peeps. So I just stay tuned, you know. Still are there. I try to see if I can hook up a fishing idea. So I just go ahead and set out back some more again. So I go on there and set out back some more. Why? I try one toffee, you know. From morning I use the bang. And I get no bite on the bang. So I try the toffee. Hopefully we get a run on the toffee. Revive him up a little. Just see him down the sauce swim. Revive him up a little. Peeps, you don't know, say evening now, you know. So what I'm gonna do, I get myself ready to leave out of here now, peeps. Yeah, man, I get myself ready to leave out of here. You don't know, say from morning I'm there from 9 o'clock. From 9 o'clock I'm there, and when I get no run, not even a little touch up on the rod them, nothing at all. Just one man catch a snapper fish down there, so but me just come in the morning. So what I'm gonna do now, peeps, I'm gonna go get ready to leave the place. So I'm gonna pack up my rods them and thing. So I want to know, peeps, I want to know, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Yes, man. So catching up on our next adventure. You don't know, say we have some crazy adventures for sure, you know. Yeah, man, we have some crazy adventures to show you guys. So you know, big up on yourself and catching up on our next one. Zine.